Hello guys, Softoni here. In today's tutorial we're going to see how to create our particles text animation, so stay along with me and to see a few more tricks you can use to create your own texts for your videos, for your intros, for your promos and so many more. So let's see what we can do today. Alright, here we are in After Effects, and first what we're gonna do, like always, is to create a new composition. You can click here on this little icon, or to go here in this composition menu and to create Ctrl+N, it's a shortcut, a new composition. For this tutorial purpose we will call it particles text. We will do 1920 by 1080 full HD resolution. Frame rate isn't really matter at this time, but we will keep it at 30, and duration is 5 seconds. After we adjust this, click OK, and first what we're gonna do is to create our background. Click Ctrl+Y to create a new solid. You can also add solid here, layer, new, Ctrl+Y, solid. Okay. We will call it background. We will also do 1920 by 1080. This is full HD composition. For the colors we will do maybe black color, and then hit OK. After we have created this background in our particles text composition, it's time to create our text. So go here and grab this horizontal type tool. Shortcut is Control or Command+T, and then hit on this our main window. Okay, I am using this Rashida Valentine's font. You can find it on dafont.com. It's really nice font for me, and we will type particles text for this tutorial purpose. Okay. Maybe we will do here around 300. Okay, next thing what we're gonna do is to align this to the center of our composition. Okay, first effect we will add, what we're going to add is particle systems tool. Okay, when we added this particle system we will see something like a firework here, but our firework is limited to this text composition. So to avoid that we need to add another effect called CC composite, and to place it on the first on the first time of our effects control. So now our firework isn't limited to this text. Okay, after we're done this we need to adjust a few settings here in particle systems tool, and for the birth rate we will do maybe 25 here, so we can we will see more dense particles here in our particle system tool effect. Okay, for longevity we will do maybe 1.5. okay, position, it's time to animate position of these particles, and for 0 frames we will hit here on the stopwatch and do 0. Next thing what we're gonna do is to go maybe here on the 4 seconds and to hit 2000, and if we hit 0 we will have for now this kind of particles firework animation. Okay, for this radius X we will crank it down to 1, and for this radius Y we will also do maybe 25, because our text is a little bit long. We will do here 25, just like a birth rate. Okay, for the physics also we need to adjust a few settings, and for animation we will do twirly. Later on you will see how will our animation look like. Okay, velocity go 0.1, and we will get shape like this. Okay, for the gravity, if we keep our gravity above 0%, gravity will behave in the same way like it behaves on Earth, but if we do minus 0.1, it will fall up, something like this. Okay, for the extra we will do maybe 20. It will be good for now. Also, what is really important, to turn this source alpha inheritance, turn this option on, so our particles will follow just our text, because our text is this alpha. Okay, now what we have, really cool animation for now. Okay, we can also adjust here bird color and that color. For tutorial purpose we will do maybe both. We will keep it both white color, and if we hit 0 we will get something like this. Okay, first part of our tutorial is finished, and for the second part we will duplicate this particle text, Ctrl+D to see our second text, and on this first text we will delete both of composite and particle systems effect. Okay, now when we hit 0 we will get something like this, and we need to animate now this first text because we have deleted our effects. Okay, now we need to adjust and to add effect called linear wipe. We will add linear wipe. Okay, and to adjust a few seconds here in the effect. Okay, when you hit 00 you will see this position effect, and we will do the same here on this our first text. We will add our keyframes to 0, 0, 0, 0 frames for the transition completion, and hit 100%. Also, like a first text, we will go here to 4 seconds and to add here 0. Now when we hit 0 on our keyboard we will see that we need to adjust this wipe angle. Now it is +90, we will do -90, and our animation is looking really great. Okay, we will also do here some feather to be our animation even better. We will do maybe 50%, and now when we hit 0 we will see really cool particle text animation. Okay, it looks really great. Alright guys, this kind of text you can use for your slideshows, intros, YouTube videos, I don't know, winter slideshow, winter promos, winter intros, desert intros, and something like this. Hope you learned something new from me today. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button so you will get notified whenever I post a new clip. Hope that you are satisfied with my work. Everything about me, my portfolio, you can find here down in the descriptions, and write me in the comments below if you have some wishes what to do next. So guys, until next time, hope you will be well, and thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.